Hi guys, welcome back. Here I want to show you how to make oven roasted lamb and beef with olives. So we will let the oven do the work. A really super easy recipe. Here I have 3 to 4 medium potatoes cut into thick pieces. I have 2 large onions sliced. You can use red onions or yellow onions, and here are some spices to season the meat. You have ginger, paprika, cumin, fenugreek, coriander, fennel, turmeric, and salt and pepper. So I have some beef and some lamb pieces here. I wash these and they're drained really well. Make sure you dry them, let it drain for a couple of hours, or leave it in your refrigerator. And I have them sliced, and we will season those with the spices that I've mentioned earlier. So let's season those gradually. And I have a bunch of garlic there, 1 head of garlic peel. We leave the garlic whole. Since that we're roasting the lamb in the oven, we're just gonna put the garlic and the onion, and as it cooks, those pieces will disintegrate. So we'll season each pieces gradually, and then we'll put it into a bowl and leave it for about 30 minutes or so to marinate. So those are some lamb legs. You can use shoulder or any meat you prefer, or you can just use beef by itself. So now that I've seasoned all the pieces, I have a baking pan. I line it with some onions, some whole garlic, and the sliced potatoes. And then I will arrange the meat on top of it in a single layer. So in the meantime, I'll preheat my oven at 425 degrees. So after arranging all the pieces on the baking pan, I will also put the other half of the onions and garlic on top of the meat, and then I'll add about a cup of olives. So those olives are low sodium olives. Spread the onions, everything cover evenly, so we can season the meat really well. Out of the oven, and I kept it on my stove on my burner, and I had a little bit of sauce to see the onions are disintegrate. They're broken down, nice and tender and soft. The garlic also smushy. And here I'm gonna put it into a serving plate. So those are the potatoes. Looks really nice and creamy, and we'll serve that. I also made some homemade pita bread. You could check out my video how to make that, and I served that roasted beef with lamb and olives for my dinner. There, it looks really delicious. You let the oven does the work. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.